Okay, my dear students, 6th grade, this is the competition that you have. And the first question needs you to think and choose the correct one. Use your notebook to write any steps you need before choose the correct answer. Choose the equivalent ratio to 30 over 48. You have 15 over 20 or 15 over 24. Most of you answered the correct one. Good job. Why? I need to talk to one of you for explaining this. Okay? I'm gonna choose one of you to explain this question to us. All right? All right. Muhammad Burhan. I choose you because you don't share with us, you don't participate much more time with us. Muhammad Burhan, please talk to me.
Yes.
Okay, Muhammad. Here in that question, 30 over 48 equals which one? We know right now the answer.
24.
Equals 1. This ratio equals to which one? The red one or the blue one?
The blue one.
The blue one. Why it's equal to the blue one? Why should you
Because
choose the blue one? Why?
If you take 15 out of 30, it will become 15. And if you take 24 from 48,
Yeah.
it will be 24.
Good job. That means you divided by 2 here and divided by 2. 15 divided by 2 equals 50 and 48 divided by 2 equals 24. Look, Muhammad, from the question and the answers, I noticed I'll divide. 30 becomes 15, so I'll divide. I'll divide by 2 at least. If you want to divide by 3, if you couldn't divide by 2, divide by 3. Good job, Muhammad. Thank you.
Mister, if you didn't realize the answer, multiply 15 by 2 to show the answer.
Excellent. Good thinking. Also, if you multiply here by 2, you will see 30. If you multiply by 2, you will see 48. And this is the main ratio in the question. Excellent, Muhammad. So this is the correct one. Good explanation. Thank you. I want to make sure if you understood the question very well or not. And you did. Thank you, Muhammad.
No problem.
I'm proud of you. The next question, are the two ratios, this and this, equivalent? How can you know they are equivalent? Think, please. 30 becomes 10. How? Shari, what is the correct answer, Mashari? What is your choice? Shari, talk to me, please, Mashari. What is your choice?
Yes, Mister.
What is your choice, please? What was your choice? True or false? False. So you are wrong, and let me explain to you. How can you know they are equivalent or not? Look, 30 becomes what? 10. So how? By division or by multiplication? Ask yourself this. 30 becomes 10. How? Of course, by division. 30 divided by what equals 10? How many 10s in 30? Shari, talk to me, please.
Yes.
How many 10 in 30? How many 10s in 30? 2. 2 10s. 2 10s, are you sure? 10 plus 10 equals 20, but you have 30. 3.
Yes.
So please, Fahd Amr, don't write any answer. So 3. So I
Yes.
need to divide by 3. 30 divided by 3 equals 10. And 48 divided by the same number 3 equals 16. How can I know? Take 16 plus 16 plus 16 3 times according that number 3 divided by 3. So that means 13
Yes.
plus 16 plus 16 plus 16. Okay?
Okay.
16 plus 16 equals what?
16 plus 16 equals wait, 16 plus 16, 16 plus 16. Mister,
Yeah, I'm waiting you. Okay.
equals 32.
32 plus another 16. Huh?
Wait.
48. That's right. 48. So 48 divided by 16 is equal 3, and 48 divided by 3 equals 16. So they are equivalent. Do you understand this way, Mishari?
Yes.
Can you multiply by crossway to make sure? Yes, you can. Can you multiply 48 times 10? You will get 480.
48 multiplies 10 equals 480.
And 30 multiply 16. You will get
30
also 480.
480.
So they are equivalent. Okay. Do you understand how can you solve them?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Good job, Fahd, Kahoot, Sami, S, and the killer, Yusuf and Nader. You are in the 5th places. Focus, guys, please.
Mister, I need the biscuit.
Okay, my dear students, most of you answered correct. Good job. Look, if Hannah scored on math 7/10 and on science 2/4 or 2/4, do she get the same on both subjects? How can you know the answer? Like, my question is 7/10. 7 to 10 equals 2. 2 to 4, that means. This is the meaning of my question. Did she get the same? Are they the same? How can you know? Multiply by cross-weighing. 2 multiply 10 equals 20. Okay? Ahmed Romali, okay? 4 times 7 equals 28, I mean, sorry. 28. 4 times 7 equals 28. Is 28 equal to 20? No. So you should to say, no, she didn't. That's right. Good job. S. Who S? I mean, Sami. Who is S? Who is S? Respond me, please.
Me, Mr. Saleh.
Okay, good job. Good job, my dear students. The same question for math and social studies. Are these ratios equivalent? Yes. So did Hannah get the same score in both? Yes. Did or does 4/6 equal to 2/3? Yes, by using multiplication crossway, 6 times 2 equals 12. 3 times 4 equals 12. They are equivalent. So, yes, she did. Great job, Muhammad Sami, in the third place right now. MashaAllah, my dear students, you answered it right. Most of you answered it right. Who did it wrong? Tell me. Don't be shy to tell me. No problem. I need to help you understand the quiz.
Easy, mister.
I'm talking to the student who answered it wrong. Huh? Don't hesitate to ask me. I couldn't.
The people that answered it wrong probably knew the answer, but they thought it was ×2, not ×3. Can we please go to the next question? We're running out of time. Thank you.
Yeah, because maybe they do it too much quicker.
Saleh.
Yes, mister.
No,
Yes.
Saleh, stop. Where is Fahd? Khalaf, Fahd, Omar, Adam, Udhay, and all the others?
I'm here.
Oh, man, try.
Mister, I am answering these questions so fast and they're always right.
Overnight. The most important thing, you must answer right. Great job. 17 students right and 2 wrong. How can I solve this question? Look, first of all, you need to move from the given number to unknown number. Okay, this is the first step. When you move by this way, you must move from the beginning to the end. Okay, so ask yourself, 32 becomes 16. 32 becomes 16. How? 32 big number becomes 16 small number. How? Of course, by division. So 32 divided by what? Try 2. You will find the answer 16. So when you try 2, you must try 2 down. 18 divided by 2 equals 9. So great job. Most of you answered right. Yes, Mr. Sar. I think this is an easy question. I think this is an easy question. Which of these is not ratio? Focus, it's big tricky. Easy or tricky? Easy and tricky at the same time. Oh, there are 8 students wrong. How could you choose the red one? I said is not ratio. Is not ratio. Is this not ratio? How? Can you see the columns? This is one of ratio writing. 3 out of 4, that means 3 out of 4 by this way as a fraction. 7 over 4, 7, sorry, 2, 5 or 7 over 5 as a fraction. But this is a ratio? Of course not. Big tricky, I think. Am I right? Big tricky. Small tricky.
Mister, I got it right. Mister, I'm 4,000 and I just got one mistake.
Good job, Abdurrahman.
Mister, I just only got one mistake.
Think. Oh, there are 8 students wrong. How? Why do you solve it wrong? Then paid $20.25 for 3 movie tickets. Find the rate, the unit rate. The unit rate, that means use division, okay? 20, 25 without decimal point divided by 3, okay? So Muhammad Sami, help me. How can I find the answer here?
Okay, let us start. First, we can't say, so we say 0.
Yeah, 20 divided by 3.
Then we divide by 6, that's the nearest number.
Yes, 6 because 8.
We say 18, so equal 2.
That's right. Bring down
And
5.
we have the 17 down. So, Mister, we down 2. If we say it right, we
Good
down
job.
the 2.
Good notice, Muhammad. Excellent.
So we're gonna say it's 7 because it's the nearest number. 7.
Yeah. 22 divided by 3 equals 7. 7 multiply 3 equals
21.
21. That's right. 21 complete.
So it will be 1.
Remember
Then we're gonna bring the 5 down.
Yes.
So it should be multiplied by 5. So 15 minus 15, 0. So 6.75.
That's right. 6, 7, 5, the correct answer. After how many places should I put my decimal point?
After 2 places. After 2
1, 2, so the decimal point here. 6 and 7, 75. Yes. 75
Yeah.
3 over 4. Am I right?
Yeah.
If you don't know, the answer here is 6 and the answer here is 5. Of course, 6 is the correct answer. Do you understand all of the students?
Yeah, because it's the nearest one to it. So yeah.
Good job. Please stop writing on my screen. Stop writing.
Mr. C, I am proud that I did well. I just done one mistake. I don't think I got volume, but the good thing
Uday.
I did really well.
Fahd. Who's Fahd? Fahd Al-Khalaf or Fahd Ahmed Omar? Jubran and Kahoot Fahd. I think Fahd Al-Khalaf. Tell me please. Who's Fahd?
Teacher, I'm the only one that's bring all correct.
Mister.
Teacher, I'm the only one that's bring all correct, teacher.
Oh, Mister.
Mister, I only got 2 mistakes. Mister, I only got 2 mistakes.
Good job.
And I got one
Teacher, I got all correct.
now.
Sammy, some reason I got.
Excellent, my dear student. Listen to me, please. Right now, you can find the quiz ready on your accounts. So open it quickly. Don't be hurry when you solve. Don't hurry when you solve, please. Okay? Don't be faster when you solve. Choose the correct answer carefully. Okay? Let's get started. Quickly. If you started, raise your hand. If you started, raise your hand. If you have started, raise your hand. Right? Is everything all right with you? Is everything all right with you?
Yes.
Okay.
Mister, how many questions?
Yes, Mr. George, it's from Kahoot.
Teacher, I can't see it.
Cheating them. Always you're cheating them. Stop talking about that. Keep it in your mind. Be smart and solve and have the 5 marks. I want you to answer everything right.
Well, I finished, Mr. Do I revise?
Can